Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. A flash clash erupted in Manipur over farmland between Kuki and Mite villagers in Imphal East district of the state today. Here we are bringing you the full details. Land disputes sparks tension in Manipur. Incident occurred in Imphal East. Kuki villagers object to Mite farming. Security forces immediately contain the situation. Police urge public to ignore rumors. Reinforcements deployed to prevent escalation. Yes, viewers, a clash erupted over farmland between Mite and Kuki villagers near Shadu Lampak village in Imphal East district of Manipur today. The incident unfolded in a paddy field near a Kuki settlement near Shadu Lampak village. According to reports, a Mite farmer from Letain Pokpi under Sagolmang police station attempted to plonk his field with a tractor. Meanwhile, Kuki villagers confronted him, challenging his right to the land, asserting their own leadership. Reports indicate the Kuki villagers are claiming the field as theirs, while Mite villagers allege that the Kuki community from Sobhang had encroached upon and began cultivating over 20 acres of paddy field belonging to the Mite community. This particular field had reportedly been abandoned since the ethnic violence erupted on 3rd May 2023. The situation intensified as more Mite individuals from nearby areas arrived at the spot, and one Mite youth reportedly sustained a kaput shot injury to his eyebrow in the confrontation. Reports suggest a significant number of Kuki villagers attempted to prevent the Mite farmers from cultivating the land, raising concern about a fresh outbreak of conflict in the ethnically sensitive region. Following the incident, security forces including personnel from Letang Pokpi police station, BSF and Assam Rifles immediately deployed to the location to bring the situation under control. The security forces also fired some rounds of tear gas cells and smoke bombs to disperse the mob. The Manipur police confirmed that the teams led by the additional SP of Imphal East and Central personnel were immediately on the ground. Authorities have urged the public to remain calm and disregard rumors and misinformation, assuring that the situation is currently under control. Moreover, a statement from the Manipur police reiterated security forces are continuously attending to the situation and right now things are in control. Yes, viewers, security forces immediately intervened to diffuse tension after a land ownership dispute erupted between farmers from different communities in Manipur's Imphal East today. The incident began when a Mite farmer from Letan Pokpi arrived with his tractor to cultivate a paddy field in Shadu Lampak village located near a Kuki settlement. Local Kuki resident challenged the farmer's right to work the land, claiming he had no ownership of the field. Manipur police tweeted that some Kuki villagers nearby came and objected, saying the paddy field does not belong to him. Meanwhile, some Mite nearby also came to the site. The disagreement quickly drew additional people from both communities to the site, raising concern about potential escalation in the ethnically sensitive region. Manipur police further reported that additional SP along with central security forces were also positioned at the location and successfully contained the situation. Additional reinforcement led by the SP were also deployed as a precautionary measure. Police have urged residents to ignore unverified social media content about the incident. Manipur police stated in their official communication that videos are circulating claiming that cookies came down to stop Meitei farmers. The public is requested to not to believe in the rumors. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.